Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use multiple monitors and link charts in Tradingview. If you're serious about trading or technical analysis, using multiple charts at the same time can completely change how you see the market. Instead of constantly switching between tabs or timeframes, multiple monitors and linked charts allow you to track different assets, compare timeframes, and react faster to market movements. Tradingview makes this possible with built-in features like multi-chart layouts and syncing tools, but a lot of people don't fully use them. To begin, open Tradingview and log into your account. Once you're inside the chart interface, you'll start with a single chart view by default. The quickest way to simulate a multi-monitor setup is by opening a new chart window. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+N. This will instantly open a new Tradingview window. You can now drag this new window to another monitor if you have one, or place it side by side on your screen. This allows you to view different charts at the same time, monitor multiple assets, analyze different strategies simultaneously. Repeat this step if you want to open even more chart windows. Now, for a more advanced setup, look at the top of your chart screen and find the Layout Setup option. Click on it. Here, you'll see different layout options such as 2 charts, 4 charts, 6 charts, and more. These layouts allow you to display multiple charts within a single screen. However, keep in mind, these multi-chart layouts are part of Tradingview's paid plans, so you'll need an active subscription to access them. Once you've selected a multi-chart layout, the next step is to link and sync your charts. Look for the Sync Layout options. Enable the following settings. Symbol keeps all charts on the same asset. Interval syncs timeframes like 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Crosshair moves together across charts. Time aligns chart positions. Date range keeps zoom and view consistent. By turning these on, all your charts will update in real time together. For example, changing the symbol on one chart updates all others. Moving your cursor shows the same position across charts. Switching timeframes applies everywhere. This creates a fully synchronized trading environment. For the best setup, you can combine both methods. Use Ctrl+N to open multiple windows across monitors. Use Layout Setup inside each window for multiple charts. Enable Sync Layout for real-time coordination. This gives you a powerful multi-screen trading system. To summarize, using multiple monitors in Tradingview involves opening new windows with Ctrl+N, using Layout Setup for multiple charts, and enabling sync options like symbol, interval, and crosshair for real-time coordination. This helps you monitor and analyze the market more effectively. And that's how to use multiple monitors and link charts in Tradingview. Once you set this up properly, it completely changes how you analyze the market. You go from reacting late to seeing everything in real time. Most beginners stick to one chart, but as you grow, having multiple synchronized views becomes almost necessary, especially if you're tracking different timeframes or assets. If you're serious about trading, investing in a proper setup, including multiple monitors and a Tradingview subscription, can give you a real edge. Start simple, then gradually build your setup as you get more comfortable. The goal is clarity, not complexity. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.